Jai Shri Ram, Jai Jagannath, Jai Jagannath. Welcome to Odisha. Now devotees of Lord Ram can travel directly to Ayodhya from Jagannath Dham, Odisha.
यात्रीगण कृपया ध्यान दें।
Ministry of Indian Railways likely to introduce 2 trains connecting Ayodhya Dham with Odisha. As per initial proposal, Puri Darshan Nagar Express will run on Tuesdays and Fridays, and it will have 21 stoppages. While one regular bi-weekly express train has been proposed between Puri and Darshan Nagar, Ayodhya. Another proposed bi-weekly Visakhapatnam Gorakha express will pass through Bhubaneswar, Angle and Jharsuguda. The Visakhapatnam Gorakha express, having 30 stoppages, will operate on Sundays and Wednesdays. Please stay updated with IRCTC official website. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Jai Jagannath, Jai Shri Ram.